Good morning and welcome to week 10 of online learning. Today's Tuesday, May 26th. I hope you guys had a good Memorial Day and a restful Monday. I wanted to take a look at the learning calendar for this week so you guys know exactly what to do. So today's Tuesday. Reading is very much the same. I want you to read 20 minutes on our Scholastic Literacy Pro and take one Achieve article today, and you're going to try your hardest to get 75% or higher. So I know that you understand what you are reading. So just a reminder, to get to the Scholastic News or Scholastic Reader, you're going to go to Clever. You're going to click on Scholastic. And then you're going to click on Literacy Pro, and yours might look a little bit different than mine, but it should look something like this, and you have the opportunity to pick whatever you want to read. I want to show you from my page, I can see all the good reading that you guys are doing. So I can check to see how many. So for example, on Friday was the 22nd, and I can see, wow, Valentina got on and she read for 38 minutes. That's so great. And Evelyn got on and she read for 23 minutes. That's so great. So I can see how much time you're spending looking for books and then how much time you're spending reading. So I'm glad to see all of you reading on here, and I hope that you're liking the books. Okay, you guys know how to get on to Achieve, and you're going to take one article today. Then you're going to get on MobyMax for 10 minutes and practice your math facts. A lot of you are reviewing addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division because you've passed all of them. That's great. So keep going. The next thing I want you to do for math is an IXL, and we're going to continue talking about money this week. This time you're going to put the money amounts in order. So you're going to do TB9. So you're going to go to IXL. You're going to click TB9. Put money amounts in order. Yes, that seems right. I'm going to read very carefully. If you're ever confused about what to do on an IXL, you can always email me, but you can always click on Learn with an Example right here, and it'll walk you through exactly what they're looking for. But let's go back to the question. It says, put these amounts of money in order from greatest to least. So we're looking for the largest, the greatest amount. $1.74, 82 cents, or $2.53. So you'd want to have $2.53. That's the greatest. And then $1.74. And then the least amount is 82 cents, which is less than $1. So I think that that's correct, so I'm going to hit submit. Sometimes, boys and girls, it'll ask you from least to greatest, to order them least to greatest. So be very careful. So least, that'll be 12 cents. 65, 74, 65 cents, then 74 cents. All of these are under $1, but least to greatest, and you're going to order those. Okay, so be very, very careful when you're reading the directions. Okay, I'm going to go back to my learning calendar. Then I want you to do linking words, IXL, T, C, Z. I think this will be a good review for you guys. So you're just going to read the sentence and find the word that best fits. For example, will you travel to Montana by train? Will you fly there? Or will you fly there? And will you fly there? Will you go by train or will you go by air? So you're going to click or. Damon likes fruit, blank, but not bananas. So you're going to pick the best word that goes in the sentence. I think you guys will do a great job at that. So that's the Excel. And then today I want you guys to watch, the last thing I want you to do is I want you to watch this video and take the Google Classroom quiz. So you can do, what I want you to do is I want you to, you can click here on the video, or you can click it from the Google Classroom. So let me show you what it looks like from going from the Google Classroom. So I'm going to go back to my Google Classroom. I'm going to click on classwork. I'm working under week 10 because that's the week that we're on. And I'm going to click Kenya, UNICEF School. Are we there yet? And you will see two things. First thing I want you to do is watch the video, which is here, and then I want you to take the quiz. And you're looking for ways that this school is the same and different as ours. So for example, click on the video, and I want you to watch this short video, and I want you to look for ways that this school might be the same or different as ours in Santa Maria. So you're going to watch the video, then you're going to go back to the classwork and you're going to take the Google form. You're going to click on the quiz and it's going to ask you just 2 questions. I want to know 3 ways that this school in Kenya is the same as ours in Santa Maria, and then 3 ways that it is different. So when you're watching the video, I want you to be thinking about those things. Okay? And then you'll click submit when you're done. And that is your work for today. Reading, a little bit of math, a little bit of vocabulary and writing, and watch that little video. I want to show you what else I have in our Google Classroom this week. So of course, you'll see our calendar here, and then I'll upload this video, and you'll see it here. You'll see the video for the UNICEF School in Kenya. You will see Story Time with Mrs. Shanklin. Remember, she reads to you guys every day at 11 o'clock. So if you can, jump on there at 11. I know that she'd love to have you. Just click here, and if you need a password, there it is. And the last thing I want to show you is from Coach. She sent us some great PE resources. There's muscle roll call like you guys do. There's a cardio routine, and there's some chair exercises with Coach. So check it out and do your best this week. Email me if you have any questions. All right, guys. Have a great week.